It's Chriso. I'm just doing a hole for the mixing valve. I might just have to make it just slightly bigger, but we'll see how we go. I always like the guard there. It's quite a hard tile, this. We should be good to go. I nearly forgot to turn my radio off. Ooh. Oh, well, there you go. That'll do. That's lovely. That'll do. See you soon, people. I don't know whether I cut a square hole or a round hole. I'll sort that out when I get to it. See you soon. How you going, everyone? It's Chriso. I'm just changing the hole saw to a smaller size, and we're good to go. See this? I sort of like the guard on because I'm able to control the grinder better. It's a hard tile. But we've got the sucker. And we're inside again, into the bathroom. I turned my camera off because I don't like showing the whole world someone else's house. Well, that'll do me, people. Beautiful. Slap some glue on. Pop it up. coming in from the bright sunlight. It's quite hard on the eyes. Happy with that, people? Okay, I need to do a little bit of adjustment. Always keep an eye on things that you know, when you're watching your lines nicely, or making sure they're nice, sometimes you notice just a little bit, you might be a little bit out, so you just adjust it accordingly. Always have yourself these plastic wedges. They don't cost much. Oh, a few dollars. Few dollars for, I don't know, a few thousand. Just check it, because I have the screen. I just check for plumbness and flatness, because I have the screen going there where that aluminium is, where my level is now. Give it a whack. That's cool, people. Adjust that. And there you go. Nice. Nice. I nearly put it on the wrong side of the tile. Would have looked a bit of a fool then, people. Bang the glue on. Slap it up. Right, I'll come back to you shortly. I'll pop my radio on. That's come out good. Put my radio on, play some music again. Ooh, see you soon.